have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound and vibration section, then to the advanced, and then to the phone ringtone. You can select just disable ringtone here. You can add your own ringtone by selecting audio file from your phone's memory, or you can just select one of these pre-installed ringtones. So let's listen to some of them. This one is beautiful ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.